I'm going to turn everything off this time, mate. No, I'm not going balls out.
No.
But there were times there where the car started to move very nicely, and then it came back, and then it would move a bit more and then come back, and it's kind of like I just want it to move. And I can't say the car having an open diff, it's really compromised it at all, because I've never had the sense that it's struggling for traction. Probably will away from here now I've turned everything off, but we'll see. Very impressive.
Well, until you get the LSD feed, you're not going to have a comparison.
Yeah, no, I know.
Like you say, you may not even notice.
So how many it says 46 miles remaining.
So what did you get? What's your MPG?
It's much, look,
9.4.
it's 50% more than the Focus. The Focus did 6.
This thing's crazy, isn't it?
It is, madness. But it comes with compromises, and that is, it feels like a wallowy boat.
Yeah, it's definitely not aimed at that market, is it? But that's what their M cars are for.
Here we go. So I must remember, I'm heel and towing myself this time.
Alright, so the rev match is
There's
not on.
no rev matching.
Oh,
is that rain coming down as well?
I don't know. I was looking at it, but if it
just
is,
as I turn traction control off completely.
I think you'll be alright.
Or is that just I gathered a lot of flies the last time out?
Yeah.
So that tyre hasn't really cooled down at all.
No, it doesn't.
Mind you, both the fronts are at 60. Right, I've got to focus on what I'm doing now. That we were kind of just trading places last time. Not good with the throttle through there.
Tyre temperature's dropped a hell of a lot on the front. 56 now.
Strange. Try to get it moving. So if I gave it the boot, there you go, a bootful there.
Yeah.
Why am I going for the gear lever again? I gave it a little lift before I turned. But I'm
Right.
still not happy about this bit because
yeah.
I'm not happy coming in here.
No. Because you've got limited
Yeah, it's just the exit of that.
tracks. Yeah. Compromised a bit because of the debris.
It moves on the brakes.
Yeah, certainly does. And the other one. There you go.
Okay. Is that an Exige?
Yeah, S.
Really? Don't they normally have massive wings?
Usually. He obviously doesn't need it.
No.
Oh, you were close to the grass there.
Oh.
Jesus. I'm sorry. Yeah, that was like...
This is kind of, I'm starting to not like this now. It's just too fast. And I'm having to, kind of, mind you, I'm staying in touch just about.
Yeah, just remember the case
Ooh,
with me.
ooh, ooh.
Oh, big off. Oh, well,
how
he
lucky
should-
is he?
went that way rather than that way. Oh, you lucky
Well,
bugger.
I did that.
Yeah, but you
Yeah,
went
I know.
parallel
But
with that.
I
But
connected
that's
with the
exactly
grass
same
and I
corner,
just
yeah.
missed the barrier.
Yeah. Oh, that's a shame. I would like to see how he got that wrong.
Wow, that's because he was being pushed by that thing.
Yeah. See, that's the trouble.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
No, he needs to go in now because it's spinning in.
Yeah. I'll be surprised if... well, no, I don't know. It should be flagged. Should be able
No, you're
still
meant to
around.
go in. It's spin.
Yeah,
in.
he'll go in, yeah, but I'm just obviously with the debris on the track, but I think we got away with it. I think it's mostly tyre marks, not on
Oh
the
no, it's been red flagged.
Has it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, okay.
Okay, end of session. That's it for the day then, mate.
Oh well.
We only had 5
Typical.
minutes.
Always
They may line us up on the start-finish line, in which case we go out and get a few minutes.
In.
Okay, then that's it.
Yeah.
That was probably just about the right time because I got 22 miles left according to this.
Yeah. At least you got a few laps. At least didn't do it on the first lap or the second lap.
No,
because that
yeah,
would have been a
yeah.
bitch. Because that would have been a wasted sesh.
To me, it felt like I was a bit more comfortable with the car and was pushing it a bit more, but
Yeah.
just more aware of what it wasn't and what it isn't.
Yeah.
Good car, lot of fun, no RS.
No. It's just not. It's not focused for a track.
Focus.
It's
pun intended or unintended.
No, but it's the
But
whole
yeah.
point. You know, it's not aimed. Yes, it's an M, but it's an M Sport, not an
It's
M.
no M car, see, because going out in Jeff's M4, you realise the second it pulls away, this feels like an M car. You would expect it to feel because it is a normal car with a big engine. So yeah, good day though.
Yeah, I had to finish early. Porsche spun off.